In this tutorial, I will show you how to permanently delete both Facebook and Messenger account. To do this thing, you can use your Facebook application like this. After opening, tap the hamburger menu, then tap the little setting icon, go to setting window. Here you have to select the very first one, account center. Now tap personal details, select account ownership and control, select deactivation or deletion. Here select Facebook. Now you can see the default selection is deactivated, so you have to change it to delete account. After changing, just tap the continue to go forward. Here you can skip this option and tap continue. Now scroll down, then just tap the continue button at the bottom. Now they ask you to re-enter your password. After confirming yourself, you will get this final confirmation window. Here you can just tap delete account. Then your Facebook and Messenger account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. Like this, after you will be logged out automatically. For more tutorials, click this in the screen videos and come on over. See you in the next one. Bye.